Hey guys, welcome back to K-Popish. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button to always be updated on the K-pop world. Twice, lovingly known as the nation's girl group, debuted in 2015 under JYP Entertainment. The group was formed on the survival reality show 16 and consists of 9 members, namely Jihyo, Nayeon, Jonghyun, Sana, Momo, Mina, Chaeyoung, Taeyeon, and Jui. Twice rose to domestic fame in 2016 with their single Cheer Up, charting at number 1 on the Gaon Digital Chart, becoming the best performing single of the year and winning Song of the Year at the Melon Music Awards and Mama. The same year, Twice released the single TT in October, whose music video became the first ever by a K-pop female act to surpass 200 million views. They released songs like Signal, Heart Shaker, Knock Knock, and Yes or Yes, which all became national hits. Since 2016, Twice has achieved a perfect all-kill status as well as the best-selling girl group album every year till 2019. The group has been recipients of innumerable awards and holds the title of the K-pop girl group with the most daesangs. The group is also incredibly popular in Japan, the home country to 3 of its members. They are the first K-pop girl group to hold a Japanese dome tour and the fastest non-Japanese female artists to sell out the Tokyo Dome concert. Honestly, the achievements are endless. However, things changed a bit in 2019. With the release of Fancy in April 2019, Twice started shedding their cute, bubbly, girl next door image into a more mature and edgy one. With the releases of songs like Feel Special, More and More, and the latest single I Can't Stop Me, Twice has successfully transitioned into a darker concept than what they've always been known for. This, however, has affected their sales and popularity. Since the release of More and More in mid-2020, their upward trajectory began to falter. The latest release, Eyes Wide Open, their second full-length studio album, which features the single I Can't Stop Me, sold 150,000 less albums than the previous release, EP More and More. JYP Entertainment shared that Eyes Wide Open has risen to the top of iTunes top album charts in at least 32 countries, including Singapore, Brazil, and Japan. This is the most number of countries that Twice has topped the iTunes chart with an album. As a result, this is already breaking Twice's personal record. However, back at home in South Korea, I Can't Stop Me did not do as well as expected. The song ranked in 29th place on the Melon chart, possibly Twice's lowest performing title song on Melon in a long time. But that's not all. In Japan, Twice went from selling 128,000 copies of Happy Happy, released in July 2019, to selling only 54,000 copies of Better, which was released just a few weeks ago. One of the main reasons for this is their shift in concept from their cute bubbly image to a more mature one. However, the cute image never really had any longevity. There's only so long that you can do the cheerful, young, bubbly concept. Not only will people grow tired of it and replace you with younger, fresher faces, but the members themselves as well want to do something else. JYP Entertainment didn't allow room for diversity in their first few years, and now the general public only knows Twice as those cute and fun girls who sang Cheer Up and TT. This in turn has led to lesser sales because Twice aren't relying on the general public as much as they used to and are somewhat becoming more fandom reliant. Their huge rise from 2016 to 2018 will be difficult to achieve again, but Twice is still comfortably at the top as the number 1 girl group in terms of overall sales, daesangs, achievements, and they're not going anywhere anytime soon. So in reality, Twice aren't really doing as bad as it seems. They're just doing slightly worse than what they're used to in terms of charting and sales. And this will possibly continue if the cute concept is not brought back. And that's all I have for you today. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and press a like. And do not forget to comment down below on what you think of this situation. Thanks for watching.